The transport process is meticulously managed, ensuring a calm and controlled environment for the herd. And so the cargo leaves the safety of the source, destined for the open highway.
A long, contemplative journey across the plains, captured in the shimmering light.
Inside the climate-controlled trailer, the ostriches rest calmly. The journey has been a humane one, ensuring their comfort before arrival.
The long highway stretch completed, the convoy arrives at the meticulously planned industrial estate, a testament to modern efficiency.
The trucks are secured.
Acknowledged. Initiating the unloading sequence now.
Everything looks good here. Water valve secure. Okay, confirming. Checklist complete.
After liming, the hides are split. The vibrating band knife ensures a uniform thickness.
The hides are carefully stretched and clipped onto the toggle frame, emphasizing the grain pattern before the vacuum pump activates, drawing out excess moisture.
At factory loaded, every detail matters. The eyelets are precisely crimped, and the backstrap is double stitched for durability before heading to the lasting department.
Pneumatic wipers smooth the leather along the arch. Then, the rotating trimming knife secures the heel seat, ensuring a perfect finish before moving to the next station.
This meticulous process ensures the leather reaches its full potential, resulting in a finish that is both durable and exceptionally smooth.
The final inspection area is as much a laboratory as a factory floor. Here, every detail is scrutinized.
A fine, atomized mist beads instantly on the rich brown ostrich leather, demonstrating its resistance.
Inside, the plump, even padding and hidden seam demonstrate the care taken with every detail, promising unparalleled comfort. The sudden, rhythmic oscillation of the staking machine breaks down the fibers, transforming the ostrich hide into a buttery softness. The hydraulic clicker press descends with immense power. The die shears cleanly through the rich brown ostrich leather, revealing the perfect vamp.
The bell skiving machine, a tool of delicate precision, peels away a whisper-thin strip of leather, creating a perfect bevel for a seamless fit.
This rhythmic precision is the heartbeat of the bootmaking process, where every lock stitch holds the entire structure together. In this intimate view, the pneumatic pincers stretch the high-quality hide, transforming the flat material into the boot's three-dimensional shape.
Quality control passed. This is perfect.
This moment is the final physical touch of a human hand before the boots are sealed away, protected for their journey.